Let's take a look now at how we actually create these sweeps, these attached wall sweeps, and how we can modify them to change their characteristics a little bit. So first of all, I'll show you how that sweep is actually created. It's a drawing. In this case, it's 3 foot by 1 foot 10. Another important dimension is this 1 foot 2 at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and make a new one of these, and I'll show you how. But I need to show you also how that gets included into the concept of the wall sweep itself. So I'm going to select this wall sweep. I've already created this sweep, and the way you would do it is any wall sweep under this architectural wall sweep that becomes available to you, you can actually use to recreate. So it's just a matter of doing the edit and rename. So in this case, I'm going to use the major wall sweep. We're going to work on that one. Oh, I'm in the drawing mode, excuse me. Let me back out of that quickly. I'm going to just select this one. I'm going to go to, it's a major sweep. I'm going to go to edit type just so you can see where that profile gets inserted. So here it is under the construction part of that palette. We're going into edit type, and the profile is saying major profile, and then you have this box that you can actually select new profiles. So we're going to go ahead and make a new one. It'll be somewhat based on the one that we already have. So let's go out and figure out how to create a new profile. So we're going to go to File, New. It's a family element, and we'll come into the template file, and if we go down far enough, we're going to find a bunch of profiles, all useful, but the one we want is not the hosted one, but just a generic profile. And I'll go ahead and open that. And just like the other profile, we're going to build it up in the top right quadrant. So we're going to use AutoCAD-like drawing techniques. We're going to come up 3 feet to match the other one. I think we came out 1 foot. I think it was 2 inches here. And then we'll come up a bit. Just create a robust bottom. And I forget exactly how far we came out here, so let's not make it, it's not all that critical. And I'm just making a few kind of details, I guess you could call them. These are places for the light to catch. And then one of the last ones we're going to put in is a curved surface, a B-spline spline surface as they call it. Doesn't look like that's connected. I just want to drag it and make sure that it snaps. And then I want to just try and pull some nice deep rich curvature out of this so we can create some shadow detail. Alright, so we'll go ahead and save that, and we'll save it as a name so we can find it. In this case, I'm in my folder where I'm working on all of these projects. And I've already gone through this once and called it a curve profile. So I'm going to just write over that one. Say yes to this. And then we need to bring that into the document. So I'm going to load that into the project surfaces. It didn't overwrite it, so that's kind of a concern for me. But we'll take a look anyway. And let's go to the 3D view. And that hasn't updated that because we haven't changed it yet, so that's good. So I want to go into edit type, and so you get a chance to see. So that's the profile we've just created. I'm going to go in and select the curve profile and apply that, and we'll see that change or update in the background. And there we go. So now we have a more decorative, let's say, piece of what could be cast concrete or granite or any other kind of architectural material. So that's a general overview about how to modify and work with sweeps.